Are you thinking about starting a business in Kenya, but you're not sure where to begin? The truth is, many great business ideas fail before they even start, not because the idea is bad, but because the owner gets stuck on registration, compliance, and paperwork. That is why I created How to Start a Business in Kenya, your quick start guide for 2026. This practical ebook shows you the simple steps to move from idea to launch with more confidence. Inside, you will learn how to validate your idea, choose the right business structure, register through eCitizen, understand the key licenses you may need, set up your banking and M-Pesa systems, and launch your business the smart way. If you want a clear, simple roadmap for starting a business in Kenya, this guide is for you.
The growth metrics look incredible. 50% growth this quarter is unbelievable. Yes, exactly. I couldn't agree more. The numbers look amazing. Truly a great quarter for the Kenyan market.
Stop guessing. Start building. Download your copy today.